Hey girl, welcome or welcome back. So today I have Azurebeauty in the house. This is a 6-piece gel nail polish new formula with hemafree, TPO-free, and Di-hema-free ingredients, which is very important. And the reason why that matters is because a lot of gel polishes contain Hema, TPO, or Di-hema ingredients, and that may cause like skin irritations or allergic reactions, like eczema or contact dermatitis. So these products have removed those ingredients for like a safer, gentler, more nail-friendly experience. So I'm very pleased to be trying these products and reviewing them, even just based off that, because it just shows that the company actually cares about what they're producing and putting out there. And trying to be as safe as possible is always, number one in my book. So I really appreciate that. So I want to get the important information out of the way first, because I feel like a lot of people don't even know what these things are, but they're very important to know and to be aware of when you're purchasing products, in my opinion. So let's get into this package. So right off the bat, the packaging is very classy to me. I love the interior design as well. It almost makes you want to like color it, it's so pretty. I also was very thrilled about this color card, and I feel like it's a step above the rest because I've never received a color card in any of my review packages, and I feel like it's one less thing that I have to do or think about. And they even took the time to do glossy and matte, and that's why I think it's a step above the rest. I love the name for this, Rose Latte. It definitely complements the colors in this collection. The name of this. There is another collection that's all pink as well. You can check it out on Amazon too. But I'm gonna go with this color today. It's super pretty and it matches what I have in mind. Of course I went with pink today because I love pink. So that's why I mentioned the pink collection as well on Amazon, because for all my pink girlies out there, you'll love it, trust me. We're gonna get into the set today. I'm going with the pink color, the more lighter pink. My idea behind it is springtime, subtle, fairy tale, princess type of vibe. So I'm gonna go with this. Also, I attached my nails with sticky tabs today for this video. I have other videos to do this week, so I wanted to be able to move quickly and not be restricted to one type of nail set. And I also wanted to keep these as press-ons. But I will show you guys both sides at the end during the final look, because I did create a full set. I will say that these polishes are extremely smooth and silky. They're not too thick and they're not too thin. They're just perfect. No harsh chemical smells. But yeah, I really like how they apply. Very nice, very smooth. So depending on to your likings, how many layers you want to put. But I am doing 2 layers, and I will cure in between each layer for 60 seconds as I always do, and then do my second layer. But it's very smooth, very shiny. I really like them. And I actually like this color just by itself, but I'm going to spice it up a little bit. I personally think these are really pretty, and I really like this color on my skin tone, but we're gonna spice it up just a little bit to give me that Princess Fairy vibe. I've been into chromes lately, and I really thought that chrome powder would be perfect complement to this color because it's not totally taking away from the color, but almost adding to it. So I want your opinion. Let me know in the comment section if you think this complemented this color, because I think it was just too dreamy. It's just so pretty, like princess, unicorn, fairy vibes. I love it. It definitely depends on what type of chrome powder you use, but when I seen this one in my drawer, I knew it would complement the set and not take away too much from the color. And if you look at them side by side, it's just a subtle difference. I love it. It's so pretty. Like, the pink in this chrome just pops out with this color. I just think it's such a compliment. Originally, I was going to go full-on gaudy with the set, but once I did the chrome, I decided that I can't cover that up because it would be such a waste. So I did do some design, but I kept it simple and sweet so that you can still see the beautiful chrome from the reflection of the color. I just thought it was so pretty. So I definitely wanted to keep the nail art part minimal. So I'm going to top coat the chrome to keep everything in place so it doesn't get disrupted or chipped or scratched or anything like that. And then we'll move on to the design. I love how this set turned out. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below, but I think everything tied together really beautifully. I love the chrome effect on this set. It's just really, really pretty to me. I also show this set as press-ons at the end of this, so stick around to see that in a different lighting. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like, a comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.